So what's up this? Yeah man, so what's up? Since evening, since today matter of fact me get this. So what's up? So I just decide if put it in a bag, in a clear bag. You know, decide to put in a clear bag, and in case it smash out in a my knapsack bag and mess up my, my clothes. So I just decide to put in a clear bag and tie it. So look at this. Hold on there. I'll show you. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Hold on there. Hold it properly. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. So what's up? See? So what's up? So what's up? Now squeeze out yet, you know, squeeze it. Look there. Look there. See there? See all of there? So what's up? Alright, and the juice run out of it. And the bag all stainy. Like when the sugar burst and throw it on something, the bag stainy, see there? Bag stainy. The amount of juice in it. See there? So what's up? So what's up? See there? Now juice it in the night. But me just bring it on the outside. Bring it on the outside first. Yeah man, to get a better view. See there? Yeah man. Container me I put it, you know. You understand? So yeah man, see there. Alright guys. Yeah man. So what's up?